Back with a review on the Trendy Crossbody. I've had it for a couple weeks now, carried it a couple times. I think I have enough information to give you my opinion on this style. Thank you for joining us today at the LV ReLoved channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you're the first to know of all my new uploads. Trendy Crossbody, I've had it for a couple weeks now, carried it a couple of times. It comes in 3 different colors, Creme, Venus, and Noir. This is the Venus color, which is a peachy pink color. T-bell and this pocket here, slip pocket, is actually a pebble grain. So this is a smooth leather, pebble, and pebble. A slip pocket on the back. This is an iPhone 8 Plus. Holds it nice and snug. You of course can carry it as a satchel, a shoulder, or crossbody. The drop of the strap, 20 to 22 inches, which is perfect for a crossbody. It has pleats on the side. This is the bottom. And the contrasting smooth leather here. And this buckle is purely ornamental. It's a very strong magnet. It has a ledge right here so that once you get on there, it's not going to slip. It's not going to slip this way if you decide to carry it as a satchel. Inside is a light micro suede. And I like that because you can actually see your contents a little easier. I got my keys in there. You can see them easier. Two compartments separated by a slip pocket, and the slip pocket is not attached at the bottom. If you had a bigger item and you wanted it to kind of, it allows you to fit everything almost on one side. So I think it adds more versatility if it's not attached at the bottom. You do, as all flat bags, you do have to hunt just a little bit, but not as much as, say, any bag that has an S-lock. This patch here is another slip pocket that will also fit your phone. These right here are just reinforcements for the handle. The D-ring that is attached with the leather is out a little bit, so that it doesn't rub against the glaze. We've all seen what happens when our straps rub against the glaze, and these won't. That it can hold a long wallet as well as the double zip pochette, or it is a shoulder bag today. I grab it often as a satchel, but I tend to just slip over my shoulder, and it was very comfortable. I brought with me my keys, and this is my wallet. I slip that in the middle. And my cosmetic wand, I put that in upside down. I had my lunettes, and always my spray mist. Purse hook. You can wear it as a bracelet. It's extremely strong. I've had this for years. Holds on to anything, and I don't know, I haven't lost it yet. So I carried it. I put that in the center slot. And since we had a lot of performing arts there, we had a lot of musicians, brought some ones, and I slipped them here so that I could grab them easy if we decided to stick. Well, that's a 20. That was pros. My favorite things about this bag is the feel of the canvas. It's squishy yet not. It's a thicker canvas. It's well made. It's a versatile carry with the top handle and the long strap. It's lightweight, and you can dress it up or down. It's fun. It's flirty. Has an outside pocket for that phone. Effortless and easy to carry. No buckle. You know, I love the look of it, and I'll get a vintage bag, and then I'll just like be going, why did I get it? It had buckle. So the fact that this is just a purely ornamental buckle with such detail, you can easily take. Okay, now for the cons. Let me think. I think my number one con about this is the name. I don't know why it's got such a silly name. It's unsophisticated, I think, for this type of a bag. I don't think the name fits at all. I need to come up with my own name for it because it deserves a better name. But that's my biggest complaint. It takes a thought to close it. If I had to come up with a con, that would be one. Is this? I'm not going to use it. It constantly fell to the back of the bag and just got in my way. So this is not going to be on mine for much longer. I tried to use it. Maybe I'm not putting it on there right, but I don't think there's another way to put it on there. It just constantly would flip over to the side here or in the back. So this will be put away. I fell in love with the style right away, and a bag has not grabbed me in a while. A new bag has not grabbed me in a while. I've been working on my wish list of bags that are current styles or vintage, but I like this. It's a retro look to it, you know, like a Kelly bag, and I've always kind of been infatuated with, you know, anything from the 50s and 60s, mid-century. When I was growing up in the 80s, it was inspired a lot by the 60s and the Kelly bag, Monceau and the biface. Very similar looking, yet different and updated. Please let me know if it's on your radar list. I hope this information helps. Anything LV.